Welcome to today's video on hands-on learning in science. In this video, we will explore the importance of hands-on learning and how it can benefit students in their science education. So, let's dive right in. Hands-on learning is an experiential approach where students actively engage with materials, conduct experiments, and manipulate objects to understand scientific concepts. Instead of simply listening to lectures or reading textbooks, hands-on learning allows students to actively participate in the learning process. This approach has been proven to be highly effective in science education for several reasons. Firstly, hands-on learning promotes a deeper understanding of scientific concepts. By physically manipulating objects, students can see firsthand how these concepts work in real life. For example, when learning about the properties of magnetism, students can experiment with magnets, observe how they attract or repel certain materials, and gain a first-hand understanding of magnetic forces. This hands-on experience enables students to grasp the concepts more effectively than if they were simply reading about them. Secondly, hands-on learning enhances critical thinking and problem-solving skills. When students engage in hands-on activities, they are required to think critically, analyze data, and troubleshoot issues that may arise during the experiment. This encourages students to use their problem-solving skills to overcome obstacles and find solutions. These skills are not only valuable in science but also in other areas of life. Thirdly, hands-on learning fosters a sense of curiosity and enthusiasm for science. When students actively participate in experiments, they become actively involved in their own learning. This leads to a sense of ownership and excitement as students see science come to life right in front of their eyes. Their curiosity is piqued, and they are more likely to continue exploring scientific ideas outside of the classroom. In summary, hands-on learning in science is a powerful educational tool. It promotes a deeper understanding of scientific concepts, enhances critical thinking and problem-solving skills, and fosters a sense of curiosity and enthusiasm for science. So, whether you are a student or an educator, consider incorporating hands-on learning activities into your science education. It will not only make learning more enjoyable, but also leave a lasting impact on your scientific knowledge. Thank you for watching and happy hands-on learning.